Hello everyone. In this video we are going to cover the visibility kinds in UML on the basis of package elements. Now you can see a package diagram with the contents of one package, sales. In the header there is the kind field specified, shortened to letters PKG, followed by the name of the diagram, which is in this case a package diagram. Now you can see a package diagram sales with the contents of three other packages, which are contracts, transportation services, and client. It's a package diagram mainly for two reasons. Firstly, it has the kind field specified, PKG, and secondly, its predominant elements are other packages, contracts, transportation services, and client. We have a standalone class, product repair as well. As you can see, classes and operations have the symbols preceding them. So we can distinguish four visibility kinds in UML. Public, represented by the plus symbol. Private, represented by minus. Protected, represented by a hashtag, and package, represented by tilde. To understand well the visibility kinds in UML, it's good to know what a namespace is. So a namespace is a class or a package. It requires unique names. It doesn't allow duplicate names. Public elements are visible to other elements in the same namespace. So let's pick the package contracts. These three classes can see each other. They are also visible to other elements that can access their namespace. So a class product repair can see them all. When it comes to private visibility, we have the class order handler. Private elements are visible to other elements in the same namespace. So the class transportation form can see the class order handler. The class financial control can see order handler as well, because they are in the same namespace. This namespace is the package transportation services. We have an operation generate report which is protected. Protected elements are as private, but they are visible to elements that inherit the properties of their main element. So financial control is the specialization of the element transportation form. Therefore, generate report is visible to the element financial control, because financial control inherits the properties of the class transportation form. When it comes to package elements are visible to other elements in the same namespace and in outer namespaces at up to one level. So calculate profit operation is visible to the class financial control and to the class order handler as well. Now let's try to consider the table on the right. On the left you have the same view of the package sales. Let's do together the first column. Can headers see raw elements? Can transportation form see order handler? Yes, because they are in the same package. They are in the same namespace. Can transportation form see financial control? No, it can't, because financial control has the visibility kind undefined. We don't have any hints about the visibility kind in the class financial control. Can transportation form see product repair class? No, it can't, because product repair is in other namespace. Its visibility kind is private, so it is visible in the same namespace, but their namespaces are separate. Can transportation form see the operations? Yes, because they are all in the same namespace. Try to follow the rest of the columns yourself. You have the answers here. I hope this video will come in useful. See you in the next one. Thanks for watching.